it's Scott coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf. Feeling a little bit under the weather. Been sick for like the last 2 weeks. It's just dragging on and on. But either way, smash subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to show you how you can save money and earn money, make money online with Nexus Rewards. Here, as you can see, $25 already paid out to me, okay? Already paid out to me. And I'm going to show you for fast action takers, okay? I'm going to show you for fast action taker bonus what I'm going to do for you to get you to automate this process that's paying 25, 25, and 25, and I'll zoom back in over and over and over again, okay? So let's take you over to my business homepage and just let's review what Nexus Rewards is, okay? So we're going to come over here to your business home, and just remember, folks, just remember, you want to treat this as a business because you can save money and make it a business. And I'm going to show you how to high power and automate it with my bonus here if you decide to take me up on the bonus, or you could just become a premium member under me and do your thing, okay? So here we go. This is the business homes. As you can see, I have one free member. Yes, you have free members because when you go to your products and tools right here, as I zoom in over here, the apps and services, this shows you how you can earn up to $34 cashback bonuses for free and premium. So not even being premium, you can access these apps, and these apps are here. It's to get $30 whenever you want for free. Okay, they have some. You're gonna get Upside, gas and restaurant app, unbelievable, right? Fetch. Get cash back on everything. And these are free apps for you to download to what? Make the cash. There's a quick 4-minute video here. I would highly do that. And this is where it gets good, folks, because this is what makes those $25 instant payments, okay? So you're going to want to go look at this right here. Exclusive premium member apps, okay? Nexus Benefit Hub, okay, the world's largest selective discounts, rewards, lifestyle benefits, lifestyle. Remember, this isn't lotions or potions. This is going out, vacationing, XYZ, okay? Fortune 500 companies are using this, okay? So now is time. We're growing as a team here. The company actually does all of they have live webinars every week, and I'm going to show you where to find that in a minute right here. And because I'm going to show you what you're going to have to do, right, to get your bonuses, okay, and it's leads. I'm going to give you, and email training I'm giving away, and I'm going to show you how to claim that. So you have to pay close attention here, okay? So you're going to be able to, like I said, the Fortune 500. Bill reduction. Who doesn't want to save money on their bills? My monthly bills. I'm trying to reduce it right now just because as I reorganize my company. You know what I mean? Because everything went up. So you want to save. Yeah, this is inflation proof because you're saving and you can earn $25 over and over again. On prescription drugs, you can save up to 90% on prescription drugs. I've been sick for 3 weeks. If I didn't have insurance, I could have used this and saved 90% on that drug that I needed that the doctor prescribed for me, okay? Nexus Shopping Boss app, one of the most powerful cashback tools available. Yes, folks, it's a one-time, just so you know, it's a one-time $50 and it's only $9.95 a month. But you can make $25 over and over and over again, and there's so much more with that. That's just the simplicity of it. How I wanted to explain it to you. Nexus Rewards Zoom. If you have a Zoom account, if you are more of a seasoned marketer, I'm actually going to do this now. I'm going to upgrade for only $12.99 a month. This would cost, I don't know, 50, 60, sometimes 100 for 500 people. And the live mode, I know that's about $50 a month. And I used to use Zoom, and they went up. So I stopped using them, but I'm going to get back into it. Why? Because Nexus Rewards is saving my business and me money and is putting money back in my pocket. All right, so let's go back up over here to the, I'll show you the compensation, but I want to show you your tools. This is where you're going to want to go. Your tools is right here. You're going to click on that, and this is already out of the box, ready to go. This is your marketing site to share right here. This is your main site, and this is the link to enroll free my members directly. I need this link when you email me, and I'm going to stand fast. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to I'm going to explain to you what the bonuses are and what you need to do, okay? So right here, your Nexus Snap marketing site, I'm going to need this link, okay? And I'm going to come back to this in a minute. I'm going to need that because I'm going to put it, I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it, okay? Right over here, you're going to have additional marketing tools, optional, which is great. The NXR Builder, I don't know how they're doing it yet. Consult with me before getting this, okay? Please, because we're going to connect anyway. You're going to get in my Telegram group. All that information's in the description below this YouTube video. You have the Nexus Sizzle Call, okay? I love this. Share a phone number and have a call to action. Hey, go here after listening to this call. And that's things I'm going to teach in my email training, live email training. I'm giving away for a bonus here. And then look at this. You can see the most recent Zoom. When you click on here, it's going to take to the most recent business opportunity Zoom, okay? Where we had live people on there, okay? So there's so much. And then the training, 3 simple steps to getting started. Just click on this. And remember, live opportunity overviews every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. This is where, excuse me, still feeling under the weather. This is where you have the opportunity to share with your friends. Not even friends. I'm going to show you how to, with complete strangers, how to share this link, okay? How to share this link with people to let them do the selling and telling for you, and you get paid those $25 commissions I showed you at the beginning of this video. And be sure to go to training simple 3 simple, follow the 3 steps in this 18-minute video. That's it. And then you're gonna it just takes you on the whole back office tour, etc. here. So that's very important. So now you're also going to see our YouTube channel here and our Facebook group. Make sure you get into that. And remember, as you can see, I'm going to show you, this already has paid me. So it's already proven, okay? This is my balance history, and this is direct deposited, okay? Boom. And it gets direct deposited right into your bank account. It's the best thing ever. So now, for taking action and becoming a premium member, a Nexus Rewards premium member right here, as I have 4 of them right now, I'm going to amplify it. So I use the multiple income funnel right here, which is a customizable funnel now. And you can actually, and I'll show you this real quick, this is part of my bonus, it actually pays, and you need this anyway. You need this it's a email marketing system. Just pay me $500, but it's been paying me now for 3 years straight. So all businesses needs this with a whole entire link section. The autoresponder goes out on your behalf. And what I like about customizable now, I have online consistent money, which is my done for you big ticket business. That's another video on here now. But what I'm going to do, if you take action in multiple income funnel at the monthly, which is $50 a month, after setting up, remember, you got to set up Nexus Rewards first, okay? Then the link below is here to get started with multiple income funnel. You get started at the $49 a month one, where it does all the selling and telling for you, and I'll make income stream number 2, Nexus Rewards, and I'm going to give you my $500 level product package and leads. You're going to get 1,000 leads in my Power Line Hub system, which I have right here in multiple income funnel as income stream number 3. I'm going to copy all this, and I'm going to even put it in your back office for you, okay? So this is valuable, and this gives you my email training live every the 3rd Monday of the month, which is this Monday coming up, because today, as I'm doing this video, is the 13th of January 2024. Happy New Year. And now you also be eligible for $100, $250, and $500 payments while your multiple income funnel system, right? While your multiple income funnel system is doing the follow-up for you and showing them your Nexus Rewards link that you're going to send me. Remember I said we were coming back to this, and we're going to come back over here. You're going to go to your tools when you're in your back office after upgrading, and you're going to send me your Nexus Snap marketing site, okay? And it's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to want to email scottsbonuses@gmail.com. That information will be in detail in the description of this video. Please see the first part of the description in this video when smashing that subscribe and hitting the bell, so you get all this correctly, and we can get your bonuses and your system set up within 72 business hours of receiving that. email bonus after you getting set up with the Nexus Rewards system, okay? And while you're waiting for me to get set up, that's a great time to come into here and go into your tools and get to know your back office business here. As you know, Multiple Income Funnel pays $20 monthly commissions. It also pays $200 yearly commissions over and over. So if you go yearly with the Multiple Income Funnel here, I'm going to give you the $1,000 product package, 2,500 leads, comes with every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern training, okay? And this is all going to be in your Multiple Income Funnel back office for you. Again, all the information is in the description below, so please read that specifically. All emails sent to Scott's Bonuses at gmail.com. Takes 72 hours to get your system set up because we need you to send your login credentials for everything so we can help you get set up. 1, 2, 3. You have this engine right here, which is Multiple Income Funnel, which I have feeding my big ticket business as a second income stream. But for this bonus, I'm going to put your Nexus Marketing Rewards in your Multiple Income Funnel back office. And then I'm going to show you something's coming soon. We're going to be able to add other streams here, and you'll be able to copy me 100%. So don't forget to hit the bell, smash the subscribe, and while you're waiting for these emails to get back from us, go here to your first 3 steps of getting started. Bye for now.